Hello Internet, this video is part of the backup camera playlist on Scott's Garage. In this video, I'll be doing an out-of-box review and then installation of this solar backup camera wireless by Foxpark. And spoiler alert, I love this camera. It took me less than 3 minutes to install. Keep watching. All right, let's take it out of the box. It's nicely packaged so far. Okay, so there's a truly wireless backup camera kit in English. So here is the monitor. Screen protection on this. Supposed to charge turn on the battery at first here, fully charged battery before getting started. So I'll be doing that. So obviously this has a battery in it. See a place to mount it. I'm hoping there's a suction cup mount as well. Okay, this is the solar panel. And it comes with a way for it's a USB-C. No, it's not. It's not a USB-C, but there's a connector there. But that is the solar. Looks like it's going to clip over, the option of flipping it over the camera. So here's the camera itself. And looks like it's meant for lining up with the license plate, is my guess. So likewise, the camera is protected with a piece of cellophane or whatever it is, just to protect the lens for now. It's been inspected. Looks like they also gave options of double-sided. It's really more than tape, but if you're not going to use the license plate, perhaps you use this to mount it on the camper. See what's in this box. Accessories. Oh, okay, so there's USB. Again, it's not Type-C, but it looks it might be proprietary to this, but that'll work to charge the batteries. Oh, good. It does come with a mount. We want to mount it on the windshield. So there's the clips there. So that would be windshield, and then obviously it mounts here. So we'll get that set up for the monitor. See what this is. This is the power. So this goes into the cigarette lighter, and there's USB, and then there's this port as well, and then this plugs into the monitor. All right, I'm going to read through the instructions, and we'll see what we do next. So the first thing we have to do is fully charge the camera. And I'm going to use this USB cord here. Nice and long. I'll plug it into the camera. Where's the camera? There's a USB port here. And that's the on and off switch for the camera, so the battery must be this end. Yeah, there it is. I think it's important to keep this, obviously, for keeping dust and stuff out of there, but I think it serves another purpose too. So we'll plug this in, make sure it's fully charged before we go any further. So it's red because it's charging, and we'll just give it some time and come back to this. Okay, here's the back of the camper. I decided not to mount it by the license plate since the license plate is off center. Instead, I'm gonna mount it slightly above the spare tire. That way we can easily turn it on and off. And the center here is just to the left of the T, so I'm just gonna eyeball it and put on this two-way tape. Then when the battery is fully charged, I will stick it in place. So the battery is fully charged. I'm going to remove the outside of the two-way tape here. It's 3M two-way tape. I don't know if it, well, I guess I have to put it this way since I stuck it down that way. Actually, since the camera's here, it's going to be slightly off center, but too late now. And there's a sticker or the little film on the camera here. Take that off. So for the solar part of it, I'm just going to keep it all together. So the solar panel also comes with some two-way tape, but it also comes with the clip here. So I'm keeping the solar just right in line. So this has to plug in back here. Make sure I get it the right direction here. All right, so I'm just going to put the cap on. It does have a boot on it, so it's waterproof. And it can only go on in one direction here. Okay, it's nice and tight. And this is the solar part, and I'll be going like that. I think that should do it. So it's not directly up, and it's not even at an angle. You can't angle it because of the way it's built here, but obviously that's meant to work, and this will charge it up. Okay, I'm inside my cab now, and here is the monitor and something that fell on the ground here. So this will connect it to the windshield, and real common here. So we'll pull this off, put it on the windshield, and it'll tighten. And see how this works here. Yeah, that's pretty simple. That tightens like so. I'm gonna get a cloth to wipe that first. Okay, I have everything hooked up in the back, and I'm just going to start it up. The truck is not even hooked to the camper. I'm actually about 40 feet away, but we'll see if it picks up and if it works. Okay, it's powered on. There it is. There is the back of the camper. Nice, clear 1080p resolution. Very pleased with this. So far, so good. Now, this weekend, we're actually going camping, so I'll be using it for real for the first time. And when we get home, I will videotape backing the trailer into our backyard, which is not easy. So we'll see you in a few days, and I'll finish out this video. Okay. How am I looking? How am I looking?
So far, so good. Yeah, just keep turning. Good. Real good.
Great, great.
Truck on your left. Hey.
What'd you say?
Okay. Camera should be going. You might. Front is a little dangerous here. Very slow.
Okay, the camper is situated exactly where I wanted it to be. With my wife's help, but also with the camera's help, it made it so much easier. I only have 18 inches on each side, 18 inches between the camper and the tree, and then 18 inches between the camper and the house. So I have to be very precise in backing up this trailer, and I'm very pleased with this camera. I'll put an affiliate link below, an Amazon affiliate link, if you want to use my link. That's great. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And we'll see you in the next video.